Navigating the world of motorcycle helmets can be overwhelming, but I've got you covered. Here are 15 incredible helmets that take safety and style to the next level. Let's dive into these game changers. Number 1. AGV Sport Modular, considered the first 100% carbon fiber flip-up helmet, including a precise chin guard. There is no compromise in weight, strength, or impact absorption with its 3 shell sizes, resulting in world-leading safety and an average weight of 1.295 kilograms. The AGV Sport Modular achieves outstanding advances in comfort and safety with its superstructural design, enhancing efficiency further. Key features include a rear lip profile that directs rain and spray away from the neck, advanced technical fabrics, and a water-resistant exterior to block moisture seepage. The helmet offers excellent visibility through a Class 1 optics panoramic visor with a 190-degree peripheral and 85-degree vertical vision. Safety is assured with a double D-ring closure, making it a tough, foolproof, and simple solution. Number 2. JARVISH XR Helmet. This helmet takes helmet technology to the next level with its augmented reality display. Riders receive real-time navigation cues and weather updates directly on the visor. Voice control allows for hands-free operation, enhancing safety and convenience. Integrated 360-degree cameras provide comprehensive situational awareness. With Bluetooth connectivity for seamless smartphone integration and impressive battery life, the JARVISH XAR is a cutting-edge choice for safety-conscious riders. Number 3. The Shoei X14, a proven race weapon for those unwilling to sacrifice any detail for the best performance. Like the race bikes that dominate MotoGP's premier racing circuits, every detail of the Shoei X14 was carefully designed, tested, and fine-tuned to create a final masterpiece. It's a track helmet that belongs on the top shelf, priced between $850 and $1,000. Key features include a dual-layer multi-density EPS liner, enhancing impact absorption and ventilation. The helmet offers 4 shell sizes and 5 EPS liner sizes, providing increased fit options to accommodate most head sizes with ease and comfort. It also features a removable lower air spoiler, which can be affixed to the chin bar to improve aerodynamic stabilization. Number 4. CORSAIR X, priced at $1,060. This is one of the most comfortable and well-ventilated helmets on the market today. Its high price reflects the extensive research and premium materials used in its construction. In true RA fashion, the CORSAIR X takes helmet technology and rider protection to the next level. It is engineered to protect against direct impacts and minimize the effects of glancing blows. The CORSAIR X features a stronger shell with a smoother shape designed to redirect impact energy rather than absorb it. It also includes a chin curtain to block air intrusion from beneath the helmet, enhancing negative pressure to improve exhaust ventilation performance. Additional features include the VOS shield and side pods, with a dual-function lever that releases both sides of the pod, and face shield for quick and easy removal. The VOS Max Vision face shield provides excellent visibility in all seasons. Number 5. Cross Helmet. Traditional motorcycle helmets often have serious drawbacks. Open helmets are convenient and provide optimal views but lack total safety, while full-face helmets offer higher safety but compromise comfort and visibility. Enter the Cross Helmet, which uniquely combines the best of both open and full-face helmets without their respective drawbacks. The Cross Helmet features a fully enclosed design made from durable polycarbonate. Its large glass panel and integrated rear-view camera significantly improve visibility by projecting a 360-degree view onto a semi-transparent screen within the rider's field of vision. This screen can also display useful data such as the route and weather. Number 6. Brake-free helmet. Visibility is a critical issue for motorcyclists, especially in low-light conditions, affecting overall road safety. The featured helmet includes the brake-free ultra-bright LED system, enhancing rider visibility significantly. Compared to standard stoplights, brake-free's LEDs are positioned within car drivers' direct line of sight, automatically brightening during braking, whether for engine failure or at red lights. Powered by batteries, it offers up to 8 hours of operation on a single charge, priced at $150, ensuring prolonged safety and visibility enhancement for riders. Number 7. The ARGON Transform Helmet. This revolutionizes helmet technology by offering a cost-effective solution to transform any standard helmet into a smart, feature-rich device. It comprises 2 integrated cameras and a Bluetooth controller that mounts on the handlebar, enhancing the rider's experience with convenient features like hands-free call handling, real-time speed and time data display, and seamless GPS navigation, all accessible without needing to remove the helmet or compromise safety. This innovative device connects effortlessly to the internet for downloading updated maps and includes a rear-view camera that eliminates blind spots, significantly improving overall road safety. Additionally, it functions as a DVR, recording videos directly onto a microSD card for later review. With straightforward installation in under 20 minutes, priced around $800, the ARGON Transform is designed to provide riders with enhanced functionality and safety without the expense of purchasing a completely new smart helmet. Number 8. The ICR helmet. This combines affordability with a rich array of features that enhance motorcycle riding. It features 2 rear cameras offering a wide 210-degree view, eliminating blind spots and boosting rider confidence on the road. A special sensor detects approaching vehicles, triggering yellow warning LEDs inside the helmet. If a vehicle gets too close, the LEDs turn red and the helmet vibrates. Built-in speakers provide alerts for traffic conditions, low battery, and more. Like its predecessors, the ICR connects seamlessly to smartphones and the internet. Remarkably, it includes 16 gigabytes of internal memory. Priced at $850, this helmet offers exceptional value for riders seeking advanced safety and connectivity features. Number 9. The Heads-Up Display Helmet. Showcased by BMW specialists at the CES exhibition in 2016, this remains a groundbreaking innovation. It seamlessly displays essential information like speed, gear status, fuel level warnings, and more directly within the rider's field of view. This arrangement ensures riders stay focused on the road without distraction. Additionally, the helmet features a virtual rearview mirror that receives images from rear-mounted cameras. It includes built-in speakers, a computer module, and a Bluetooth headset for enhanced connectivity. With a battery capacity sufficient for 5 hours of continuous operation, the HUD helmet exemplifies cutting-edge technology aimed at enhancing both safety and convenience for riders. Number 10. The CENA OUTRUSH Helmet. A Bluetooth modular motorcycle helmet is the perfect choice for motorcycle enthusiasts. This helmet features a sleek and modern design with an aerodynamic shell. It is constructed from a lightweight yet durable thermoplastic alloy shell and includes a dual-density EPS liner for superior protection. The helmet is well ventilated, equipped with multiple air intake and exhaust vents to ensure optimal airflow and comfort. The OUTRUSH comes with a drop-down sun visor and an open-face design that includes a removable chin bar. It integrates communication technology, allowing riders to stay connected on the road. The helmet features a universal intercom connection, enabling communication with other riders up to 1.2 kilometers away. With Cinemesh 2.0 technology, up to 8 riders can stay connected simultaneously. Additionally, it includes a built-in FM radio and music sharing capabilities. For audio communication, the OUTRUSH is equipped with integrated internal microphone and speakers. It also features a quick-release chin strap for convenience. The CENA OUTRUSH is ideal for motorcycle riders seeking a comfortable and safe helmet. Number 11. Scorpion EXO AT950 Helmet. Designed with versatility in mind, seamlessly transitioning between full-face and open-face configurations to cater to a variety of riding preferences. This feature makes it ideal for riders who enjoy both on-road cruising and off-road adventures. Crafted from a lightweight composite shell, the EXO AT950 ensures durability and impact protection, crucial for riders seeking safety without compromising comfort. The materials used in its construction are chosen for their strength and ability to absorb impact energy, meeting rigorous safety standards. In addition to its versatile design, the helmet includes an integrated sun visor, providing convenience and enhanced visibility under varying light conditions. This feature allows riders to adjust the visor easily, shielding their eyes from glare and UV rays without the need for additional accessories. Number 12. LS2 Strobe Helmet. Combined with essential features and a budget-friendly price point, making it an attractive choice for cost-conscious riders. Designed for reliable performance without compromising functionality, this helmet offers a range of features to enhance the riding experience. Equipped with integrated Bluetooth technology, the LS2 Strobe helmet allows for hands-free communication, enabling riders to make and receive calls effortlessly while on the road. This feature also supports listening to music and receiving GPS navigation prompts, enhancing convenience and safety during rides. In addition to its Bluetooth capability, the helmet includes an integrated sun visor that can be easily adjusted to block out glare and UV rays, ensuring optimal visibility in varying light conditions. This feature adds convenience and comfort without the need for additional visors or accessories. Number 13. The FORESIGHT MK1S Helmet. The FORESIGHT MK1S Smart Helmet is the perfect choice for cyclists and adventure seekers alike. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Equipped with an embedded HD camera, it captures 1080p resolution video with advanced stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even on rough terrain. The MK1S also features a built-in 2A audio system, allowing you to stay connected with friends. Its bone conduction audio technology enables you to listen to music, navigation, and take calls without blocking outside sound, keeping you aware of your surroundings. For enhanced safety during night rides, the helmet includes an integrated light system providing front and rear visibility. It also comes with a companion app that offers real-time ride data such as speed, distance, and time, enabling you to track your progress. Number 14. Smart HJC Helmet. Designed with a full-face visor and an integrated Bluetooth intercom system. This Bluetooth system allows riders to make and receive calls, listen to music, and access GPS navigation. The helmet also features a built-in FM radio, adjustable air vents, and an anti-fog visor. Its lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamic design ensure comfort and safety during long rides. The Smart HJC helmet is equipped with a scratch and fog-resistant face shield that provides superior visibility in all weather conditions. It includes a quick-release chin strap for a secure fit. The helmet shell is made from an ultra-lightweight polycarbonate composite, offering superior impact protection by absorbing and dispersing impact energy. An advanced ventilation system helps keep the rider cool and comfortable, while an adjustable interior padding system provides a custom fit. Its advanced sound system ensures crystal-clear audio quality for any type of audio playback. Number 15. VELDT Helmets. Appealing to riders seeking adaptability, VELDT helmets offer a unique approach with interchangeable components that allow for both visual and environmental customization. Crafted from premium materials selected for their durability, airflow capabilities, and precise fit, these helmets are designed to meet the demands of diverse riding conditions. The modular design of VELDT helmets enables riders to configure their helmet according to varying needs. Whether facing hot summer rides or cold, windy days, users can seamlessly integrate different parts to optimize comfort and performance. Each component is designed to integrate smoothly, ensuring that the helmet maintains its structural integrity and safety standards regardless of configuration. This allows riders to tailor their helmet to match individual tastes and specific riding environments, enhancing both comfort and safety on every excursion. That's all for this video.